Procreate has a bunch of built-in brushes that you can use, from inking to spray paint to different kinds of paint to charcoal to even brushes you can use to paint with light. But you can also install brushes that other people have designed on their own and download and put them into Procreate. Here's how. In order to install brushes in Procreate, you need to find the brushes on the internet. There are a bunch of websites that sell brushes or offer brushes for free. One of those sites that I like to use is procreate.brushes.work. This is a site where they have brushes you can download for free and brushes that you can purchase. As you can see, if I go over here, there's a paid brushes section and a free brushes section. I'm going to browse through the free brush section, and there are tons of different brushes that you can download from brushes that look like hair. I've seen brushes that are like almost like rubber stamps that you can stamp hands or even panda bears. Here's one called voice signal brush that looks pretty cool. Here's leaf stamps. And there are hundreds and hundreds of brushes. You can see there's 38 pages of brushes here right now. Here's a fur brush pack. So I'm going to download the fur brush pack as an example. So I'm going to tap that brush, and this is one of the free brushes. I'm going to hit download brush set, and it might be a little different on different sites, but when I download it, you can see Safari says, do you want to download? I'm going to hit download, and up here, a little download arrow will appear, and it will show you the progress of the download and the actual file. So when it's done, I'm just going to tap it. It will go straight to Procreate, and then in the brush menu, either on the bottom in imported, you'll find it, or sometimes it'll be at the top. So this is one is at the top called free fur, and there's these different brushes right here, so I can pick one and just start drawing with it. If you decide you don't like the brush, if there's a single brush you don't like, you can go to the brush itself, swipe to the left and hit delete, or you can tap the brush set on the left hand side where the name of the brushes are and hit delete from there. So that's how simple it is to install third-party brushes into Procreate. Thanks for subscribing, liking this video, and ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.